The T1 phone, commonly known as Trump phone, has been quite a weird story. From vaporware concerning to data leak affecting thousands, most recent teardown confirmed the phone is simply a gold-plated modified the HTC U24 Pro. But that's the point of a public relation firm, to give bad stories a positive spin. Now it appears the mess has grown too big even for Trump's mobile phones PRD. According to The Verge, the Poplar Group has ceased representing Trump Mobile. The company's founding partner, Chris, has told the outlet his team is not assisting Trump Mobile any further. As a refresher, Walker is the person who gave the statement to USA Today claiming that T1 phones are manufactured in America. It was later found not to be true, which Trump Mobiles now admit. It's unclear if Trump Mobile has secured a new PR and media relation firm to replace it. The Verge reports that Walker didn't know if the phone company is currently using a new PR firm. Just another strange entry added to this bizarre saga of this phone.